Evening, folks. DC Works here. Tonight's video, I thought we'd show you what I got in this Dewalt T-Stack toolbox. Keep this in the Suburban. Suburban's mainly meant for contracting, but occasionally you have need of some mechanic tools. Carry in here a set of tool shop picks, 1/4 inch internal torques, wire brush, various 1/4 inch extensions with a 1/4 inch ratchet. Looks like they are Dewalt, and a gear wrench, 1/4 inch ratchet. More extensions, a 1/2 inch. So I got the crescent and a 6-inch snap-on. Swivel knuckle, couple 3-inch extensions, 1-inch extension. Oh, these are my adapters. 3/8 to 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch to 3/8, and 1/2 to 3/8. Spark plug sockets. Looks like we have 13/16, 3/4, and a 5/8. Those are also Dewalt. Random socket. Got a 1/4 inch sockets I got here in a Ziploc bag. Some razor blades. Spare fuses, couple of hose clamps, some battery bolts, stick of JB weld, that's the top section. Yeah, gotta do it right or else don't we get it. Set of 3/8 sockets, 1/4 to 1 inch, 3/8 drive 6-point. Look, they are Dewalt. Set of metric sockets, 8 to 21. Also Dewalt, 6-point short shallow chrome. Impact sockets. These are actually gray pneumatic. 3/8 to 1 inch. 6-point impact. Deep. Set of torques. Also Dewalt. Tape measure. A Vaughan hammer, 16-ounce. 3/8 ratchet. Looks like that's a PT sold by O'Reilly's, I believe. Swivel-headed round ratchet, just a common ratchet. Set of Allens. 4 through... Oh, I see I got metric and American on here. 3/8 to 1/4 inch to 3/8, and 4 to 10. Quarter inch sockets, metric and American. These are gear wrench. Another set of 1/4 inch sockets, Dewalt. 4 through 14, deep chrome 6-point. More random extensions, 1/2 inch, 3/8, 3/8, all Dewalt. Pry bar, Another set of 1/4-inch deep sockets. These are American size. 3/16 through 1/2 inch. A Dewalt ratchet. Nice fine tooth. A little heavy. Alright. An older Challenger breaker bar. Challenger breaker by Proto. And that's what I carry. Just for everyday occurrences that might require mechanic tools. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.